Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix app permissions not working on your Android phone. Many people face this problem where an app asks for permission like camera, storage and microphone or location. But even after allowing it, the app still says permission denied or simply doesn't work. Don't worry at all. In today's video, I'm going to show you some easy and working solutions step by step. So let's get started the video. Solution 1. Allow permissions manually. First of all, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down and tap on App Management. Then tap App List. Now find the app that is not working properly and open it. Now tap Permissions. Here make sure all required permissions like camera, storage, microphone, location are allowed. If nothing is set to deny, change it to allow. Solution 2. Allow all the time permissions. Some apps need permission all the time, not just while using the app. So again go to Permissions. Tap on location or any required permissions and select allow all the time. After this, reopen the app and check it. Solution 3. Turn off battery optimization. Battery optimization can also block app permissions in the background. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Power Marathon. Tap Battery Saving Settings. Then tap Battery Optimization. Now select Don't Optimize or No Restrictions. This helps the app work properly without permission error. Solution 4. Clear App Cache. Go to Settings app. Then tap on App Management. Now tap on App List. Here select the problem app. Now tap Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data, only Clear Cache. After that, open the app again. Solution 5. Update the app. Sometimes the problem is in the app version. Open the Play Store. Search for that app. And if you see an update option, update it. All versions often have permission bugs. Solution 6. Reset app preferences. If nothing works, try this. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on App Management. Then tap App List. Then tap on 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Reset App Preferences. This will reset all the permissions to default, but don't worry, it won't delete your data. And that's it for today's video. These are the best ways to fix the app permission not working on Android phones. If your problem is solved, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.